Hi everyone, welcome back or welcome here if you're new. Today we're creating a pink glossy cat eye design with iridescent stickers under a rubber base gel. Before we jump into the tutorial, I'll show you a few new products I picked up and some quick swatches. If you want to skip ahead, jump to 2:30. First up, we're doing the 6-color gel polish from Glossy. These are neutral cat eye polishes in little pots, and it comes with a brush applicator, a magnet, and a cuticle pusher, which I won't be using. It looks a little intense. The first color is very sheer, which I love because that means it's buildable without getting bulky, and the cat eye effect is silky rather than glittery. Next, I've got acrylic nail art pen markers. The fine tips and the pigmented color make them perfect for graffiti style nail art. I'm even thinking of a Jean-Michel Basquiat inspired design. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see that. Some other goodies I picked up was a magnet with a ball tip. This is meant to create a more circular cat eye effect. We'll see how that goes. And then I did get some new gems, rhinestones, and stickers. The jewel-like rhinestones, I think are going to be so pretty. I just needed more to my collection. I think the ones I'm really excited about are these ones with the intricate metal designs. I'm thinking like a gothic-inspired nail. And then some mini caviar beads and studs to add texture. Although I wish these weren't so yellow, but that's okay, I'll work with it. I'll link the video here showing how I apply Biab over natural nails if you want to see the base setup. For this design, I'm creating the aura effect in the center of the nail, so I'm mixing a few of my padding gels to get the perfect shade. Padding gels are great for this effect because they're thick, pigmented, and they hold the color better than regular polish, making them perfect if you don't have an airbrush machine. I apply a thin layer, and then because a little bit goes a long way, and then just use your sponge applicator and pat them out to your desired effect. I apply a thin layer of the cat eye polish with the brush that it came with, and I will be flash curing before adding additional layers because I am planning to build dimension and depth. After getting the look that I like, I'm going to flash cure, and then I'm going to add another layer of the same polish, but with a different cat eye pattern. You can see the multi-directional lines depending on how the nail moves. I do love using my Saviland magnet for this. It's strong and reliable. I will try the purple ball tip magnet, although it may take some practice, or I may even need like a stronger magnet to get the effect I want, so we'll see. Next, I'm going to grab my Fzanest glitter gel, as well as some of the stickers that I plan on using in iridescent stars. Let's grab an ombre brush and dot the glitter on the nail. I'm going to put it kind of all over, whether it's the top, middle, or the bottom of the nail. I will leave it uncured at first so I can adjust placement as needed. Putting it on different spots, I'm going for a more subtle sparkle without covering too much of the cat eye. For example, on my thumb, I'm going to remove some of the glitter to let the multi-rings shine through better. It's all about balancing the dimension and the sparkle. Then I grabbed stickers from my mini haul from Amazon. I'm going to place those down and add another layer of clear rubber gel on top of that, because I want to use these iridescent stars. All the products that I'm using, or at least most of them, will be in the description if you're interested. If you're enjoying the video so far, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me to know what content to keep creating. After placing all the stars, I flash cure and then I seal everything with another coat of clear rubber base. And then use my detail brush, which I will carefully use to pull the product closer to the cuticle and sidewalls without flooding. I did the buffing step off camera. I did remove the inhibition layer and then I buffed to smooth out any unevenness. Then I'm going to top it all off with my favorite Canny Diamond top coat. The shine is gorgeous and long lasting, and I haven't had any issues with dullness or chipping. Do a full 60-second cure and that's it. Here's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to stick around for the next video.